friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make mixed vegetable fry bhujia. So the vegetables which I have taken is carrots here, cut up this size. I have taken one full broccoli. You can see this also is cut up in this size. Capsicum, this size I have cut it. Some mutton, peas, and some potatoes cut up this size. So come on, let us start the recipe which I am going to make. Put some mustard oil. The oil is turned hot. I slitted the 2 green chilies. This I'll put in. Put in some jeera, cumin seeds. Now put in all the vegetables. Put in the peas. I've put all the vegetables together. Now I will stir them. I will not put water. I will cover it up and let it cook in the steam only. After the bhujia, the fry is half cooked, then I will put the salt, the saffron. This is covered up now. It will cook in the steam. Time to time, open the cover and carry on stirring it, otherwise it may get burnt. This fry will cook in the steam only. No need of putting any water. After stirring it like this, again cover it, and you can keep the flame low also because it will cook nicely. This is how you have to keep checking in between till the vegetables are cooked tender and it does not get burnt. If you are new to my channel the first time, if you like my channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment. You can see how it is cooking. Even have to check also if the vegetables are cooked. Yeah, it's already cooked, half cooked. I will cover it once more. You can see now The potato is cooked, the carrot also is cooked, and the broccoli also is cooked tender. Now I will, and the capsicum also is cooked. See, now I will mix the salt. Put the salt to taste. Put some saffron. Put some chili powder and stir it well. The salt, the saffron and the chili powder mixes well in it. Everything is cooked. And the mixed vegetable bhujia is almost ready. You can see it. You can have it with chapatis, parathas, puris. Thank you for watching my video.